This is what our actors are subjected to. In nje nayi award yakhe Glenn Gabela. Ngicela nibuke indawo ahlala kuyo. Ngicela nibuke indawo uGlenn ahlala kuyo.
I want a decent life. I want to live decently like every normal person, you know what I'm saying? Which is why in Zalama attempts I'm trying to engage Nabantu, you know what I'm saying? I want to grow the film industry so that these young up-and-coming performers don't end up like us. You know what I'm saying? I want for their lives to be better. I don't want for them I mean, you listen to the stories of all the veteran actors, right? When they pass, you listen to the stories told, you know, how they struggled, you know what I'm saying? And almost all of us, when we reach this age, you see reach a stage where, you know, we no, it's a pity that angikwazi ukucela, you know what I'm saying? Ukucela for me now, it's very hard. It's very hard.
South Africa is right?
That's all I need. Just to live decently. I don't need to be rich or anything. You know what I'm saying? I just need to I need to live a decent life. You know what I'm saying? I need to live decently.
South Africa, this is our icon. So nathi asinani size nalokho size nakho. It's not a lot, but please reach out to him. Please, any assistance. Actually, thank you. Sorry. Bukan Amans. He needs help.